What's up guys? Ngayong araw samahan nyo ako mag-react sa bandang Sweet Notes. Ito yung kanilang tugtugan guys sa Rojas City, Capiz. Ayan yung kantang Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now. Napakagandang love song nito. Pakinggan natin kung gaano kaganda yung kanilang cover. Ang taas ng energy ni Charlotte tsaka ni VJ, no? Ang lamig ng pasok ni VJ dito. Giginawin ka sa lamig ng boses.
To be true, standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Let's do this, come on! Hey! Let them say we're crazy.
Ayun, no? Katimbre ni Charlotte dito si Morissette.
I don't care about that, but you want it and baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it, we're hot to work.
Ang taas din talaga ng boses ni Charlotte, Ang taas nitong kantan to eh. Pero ano lang sa kanya? Maning-mani.
Everybody say, and we can build this friend together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still get.
Ayan guys, makikita nyo naman, sobrang daming nanonood talaga sa bandang Sweet Notes. Grabe yung suporta sa kanila.
Each other, nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you.
Mala Daniel Padilla din yung banat ni VJ dito, Itong version nila na to. Parang malapit dun sa version nila Morissette.
Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take it to the good times, sing it through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do.
Let them say we're crazy. What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby.
Grabe, na-starstruck yung mga mga nanonood sa kanila. Grabe kasi mag-perform ang banda Sweet Notes. Talagang buhay na buhay, energetic talaga sila mag-perform.
Don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it. We're hard to love. Everybody say, and we can build this friend together, standing strong forever.
Yan guys, nagkakawayan na yung mga tao. Napapasabay na ni BJ at ni Charlotte.
Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other.
Ganda nung gitara ni BJ, Naka-wireless pala siya. Kaya kahit saan siya pumunta, hindi nawawala yung tunog.
Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us.
Yan yung medyo mataas na part. Tignan natin kung abot nila.
All that I ever need, and all that I want to do is hold you forever, forever.
Grabe. Abot na abot ni Charlotte. Taas talaga ng boses. Pamatay yung adlib ni BJ. Ngumahangawa yung gitara. Galing.
Let's go! And we can feel this friend together.
Sino mag-aakala nga naman na dalawa lang sila no? sa banda. Parang full band din sila guys. Pag tumugtog.
Inside of lovers, we'll still love each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. We can build this thing together. Standing strong.
Bumirit na si Charlotte.
Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Panalo.
If this is the road inside of lovers, we'll still love each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. One more time. And we can build this thing together.
Siguro favorite ni ni Charlotte to. Sobrang siya eh. Yung talagang bigay todo talaga
Standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world breaks out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's
Ang gaganda ng mga ng mga parol. Iba-ibang kulay.
gonna stop us.
Nothing's gonna stop us
Ayun. Showtime. Grabe. Ang galing ni BJ talaga sa gitara. Master na master niya yung electric guitar.
Are you go? Thank you so much. Woo! Yung next song naman namin, isa to
Grabe. Isang pasabog na naman guys ang ating napanood mula sa bandang Sweet Notes. Ang lupit talaga nila mag-perform. Talagang napaka-energetic nila pagdating sa stage. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa bandang Sweet Notes, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Supportahan natin guys ang bandang Sweet Notes. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating reaction video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.